If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you've probably heard of Coinbase Wallet, but is it really the best crypto wallet for beginners? Let's unpack what makes this wallet tick and whether it's worth your time and money. So, what exactly does Coinbase Wallet offer? At its core, it's a user-friendly mobile wallet designed for storing and managing your cryptocurrencies and NFTs. The interface is sleek and intuitive, making it easy for newcomers to navigate. You can send, receive, and swap various cryptocurrencies directly within the app, which is a big plus for those just starting out. One standout feature is its integration with decentralized applications, dApps, allowing users to interact with different blockchain services without needing to leave the wallet. You also have the option to store your private keys locally, which is a reassuring touch for security-conscious users. However, it's worth noting that while the wallet is aimed at beginners, some advanced features might feel a bit limited for seasoned traders. Also, the lack of a built-in exchange can be a drawback for those looking to trade directly within the app. Now, let's get into the pros and cons. On the positive side, Coinbase Wallet is incredibly user-friendly, making it great for beginners. The ability to access dApps is a nice touch, and the local storage of private keys adds a layer of security. However, there are some downsides. The wallet lacks certain advanced trading features, which might leave experienced users wanting more. Additionally, while Coinbase is a well-known name, some users might still have concerns about trusting a centralized platform with their funds. And don't forget about fees. Transactions can add up, especially if you're swapping currencies frequently. Overall, while it's a solid option for beginners, those who want more robust features may need to look elsewhere. In conclusion, Coinbase Wallet is a great entry point for beginners wanting to explore the crypto space. It's user-friendly and secure, but if you're an advanced trader or looking for more features, you might want to check out other options. Ultimately, it's worth trying if you're just starting your crypto journey.